Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be giving myself a feel, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it. This isn't really a tutorial, but I just want to show you guys how I do my fills. As you guys know, or if you haven't known already, these are my natural nails and I've been giving myself a gel overlay. If you look past my in one of my nail videos, my recent nail videos, I showed you guys how I took off my acrylic. That video from taking off my acrylics is my nails now grown out. I have clipped them in the past, like a few weeks ago, because they just got too long. I was going to clip them this time, but I decided not to. So the product that I use to do my fills is by Madam Glam. This is the Soak Off Builder Gel, and I use the shade Light Pink because that was the only one in stock, so I just went ahead and bought it, and it works out pretty well. So I've used this bottle, I've used this, I'd say, more than 10 times, and I think I'm just about running out. But you really, when you're doing a fill, you really don't need much product because you're only covering your cuticle area. But yeah, I'm going to be giving myself a feel, so if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, I'm going to show you guys the two cracks that I have in my nails and how to fix them. So on my index finger and on my pinky fingers where I have the two cracks. To fix your cracked nails or just put any strength to your nails, I use the Fiberglass nail wraps by ASP, which you can get at Sally's. And then I use this brush on glue, which also you can get at Sally's, to brush on and add some more length. And then before I apply the gel to my nails, I'm going to use the No Lifts Nails Primer. And then for a base and top coat that I'm going to use on my nails is by Gelixer. And I'll put a link down below where you can get that. It's a gel base and top coat. So what I do is I cut a piece of the Fiberglass nail wrap. I'm going to divide this into 2 or 3 pieces and just apply that silk nail wrap over the nail, apply the glue, and then I can go on about what I was going to do to my nails. It's pretty simple. I'll put down my few past videos down below. So I went ahead and I already did my right hand, and with the Madam Glam polishes or with any gel builders, there's a tacky layer after you're finished with the UV lamp. You just want to spray it with 90% alcohol or any cleaning spray and wipe away, and the tacky layer is gone, and then that way you can finish, you know, your normal routine. So this is the right hand. Now when you're doing a builder gel, you have to use a base coat. So I'm using this Gelixer base coat, and I'm just applying this, you know, like a regular polish, but you don't want to if you get any on your skin, you want to remove it before you cure it with a lamp. So you go very careful around your cuticle area and then just polish the nails like normal. Then I'm going to cure this in my UV lamp for 120 seconds. This UV lamp, I'll link it down below. I got it off Amazon. It was like $40 something. And then, as you guys know, I'm going to use the Madam Glam Builder Gel in Soft Pink. So when applying this, I take a little ball and I apply it at my cuticle area, but not too close to the cuticle because then I'm going to push the product upwards. So that's all I'm going to do. When I first started this, it was kind of hard. I thought it was going to be easy because it's like a nail brush. But the more you use it, the more you get used to it and you know what to do. But I just like to start by just pushing the brush upwards to my cuticle area and then dragging the gel back and forth. And with builder gel, it's self-leveled, so wherever you apply it, it's going to level itself. And then once I have like the cuticle area filled in, then I'll go ahead and do a light layer over the entire nail. And if I got any of the product on my skin, I'll just use a cuticle pusher, and then I'll go ahead and remove that. And then I put it back in the UV lamp for 120 seconds. And then if I need to add another coat or so, I will. So I'm going to do this to the next nail. It's just the same thing. Now that the process is finished, this is what you can see on the finished nail. And then my left nail, it still has that tacky layer on it that builder gels have. And you just want to go ahead and you want to spray your nails with either some alcohol or a nail cleaning spray. And then you can just wipe with a paper towel or a nail cloth, and that will remove the layer and it'll leave like this matte finish. You can leave it like so, or you can apply some polish, or you can apply just a top gel coat. So this is the look that I came up with. It's just some glitter nails, glow in the dark nail, and just a regular purple polish. My next video, I would do a tutorial on how to do the glitter nails if you guys are interested, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.